Guys, I'm really excited to take you along on our kitty litter journey today to find a kitty litter box that is going to work for us. We have a rescue cat and he was inside and outside, and it seemed like a perfect situation where he used to potty outside. So we only had this open litter box for emergencies, and he'd use it maybe once every couple of months. He's been staying indoors more as he's getting older, and he's using a little box more, and it is a hot mess, guys. Stuff everywhere. And then we have what our vet calls is the witching hour, you know, in the wee hours of the night where he's getting in the box and he's scratching it and litter's flying everywhere and it's gross. Yes, we have scratching posts and toys and all the things for him, but he really likes the litter box. So we have to, now that he's using it more, get an enclosed little house for him to do his business. So here is the litter box that I am going to take out and assemble with you today. Let's take a look at it. Okay, as far as ease of shipping and simplicity, this looks like it's going to be pretty easy to put together. I love, 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 you guys, this stainless steel pan. This is going to be such a game changer to wipe out. The plastic one is gross, and when you scratch, you just don't feel like you can get all the yuckies out of the scratches and plastic. So this is going to be so cool, guys. So let's put this together. Okay, we've got little stickies that I put on each corner so that this doesn't move around. Okay, guys, middle piece is snapped into place. Literally, guys, I just put this top on, and then you just turn this little circle thingy till it engages into place and locks into the middle part. Up here, we have the top that you can open like this when you want to, all the way, I guess, to clean it. But if you want this to stay fixed in the fixed position, you're going to do the same thing with those little circle things and lock that into place. And then this door is the only thing that's going to move. I also want to show you guys, it looks like it's one-dimensional here, but there's actually a step here. So when your cat comes out of the house, some of the litter will at least catch through these holes before they jump down. I don't see anything about this in the instructions. It's probably in the product listing, but there's a little vent here with a carbon filter in it. So that must just absorb moisture or smell. And you can take this top part off to access that and change that out should you want to do that. Here's our man Stormy, who's getting the new litter box. Hello, my man. Hello. So guys, we upgraded to a nice litter mat a couple days ago. I'll probably put our old situation on the video, probably earlier in the video, just to show you what we were dealing with. But the mat works great. But you can see, oh my gosh, this awful, awful open litter box that's so gross. So I am just thrilled to get rid of this litter box and put our new litter house on the mat. I'm going to shake this mat out and I'll show you what everything looks like. Okay, guys, we're curious already. Now the directions do say to use some of the old litter into the new kitty litter box. I'm getting this out of here before he makes a mess again. So I might just take out a clump and put it in with new litter, but he's already kind of inquisitive. And let me just show you, it did come with a scooper if you want to keep it like where your station is. It came with a scooper and a little stand for it. So I put a little 2 clumps from the old litter box in here. It's definitely a larger size pan than what I'm used to, but I'm just thrilled that we can close this up. Well, guys, overall, I'm a happy camper. I never thought I'd be so excited to have a enclosed litter house, but I am thrilled. And I think Stormy's really going to like it.